What is the difference between a good and a great vehicle? The first one you own for years, while the other one is owned for a lifetime. With all of its qualities, the Super Duty definitely belongs to the second category, and the next year's model is about to cement that status. Stay with us and find out 6 reasons why 2026 Ford Super Duty owners will be stuck with their truck forever. Number 6. Unmatched towing dominance. The 2026 Super Duty sets towing standards that competitors won't match for the next decade. We're looking at maximum towing capacities that push into territory previously reserved for commercial vehicles. The F250 can handle up to 22,000 pounds conventionally, while gooseneck configurations are going to reach 23,000 pounds. Step up to the F350 and you're looking at conventional towing ratings approaching 30,000 pounds, with fifth wheel setups handling 35,000 pounds. But raw numbers only tell part of the story. The F450 configuration is going to deliver an astounding 40,000-pound towing capacity that puts it in a class by itself. These aren't just marketing figures, they represent real-world capability backed by advanced engineering that's going to remain relevant for years to come. The technology supporting these capabilities is where Ford is really separating itself from the competition. The onboard scales with Smart Hitch system eliminates every bit of guesswork from heavy towing. This system will monitor your trailer's weight distribution in real time, alerting you to any changes that could affect safety or legality. No more trips to truck stops for weighing, no more wondering if you're exceeding limits. Pro Trailer Backup Assist 2.0 makes backing up with massive trailers feel effortless. The system handles all steering inputs while you control the speed, turning what used to be a stress-inducing maneuver into something anyone can master. Trailer navigation takes route planning to an entirely new level by factoring in your specific trailer dimensions and weight, ensuring you'll never encounter bridges, turns, or weight restrictions that could create dangerous situations. These towing technologies aren't just conveniences, they become essential tools that make other trucks feel primitive by comparison. Number 5. Powertrain excellence that lasts decades. The engine lineup Ford is offering in the 2026 Super Duty represents a level of capability that's going to remain unmatched for years. 4 distinct powertrain options ensure there's perfect power for every application, from basic work duties to maximum performance demands. The foundation starts with the 6.8-liter gas V8, producing 405 horsepower and 445 pound-feet of torque. This naturally aspirated engine is going to provide the reliability and simplicity that fleet operators demand. The 7.3-liter gas V8 steps things up to 430 horsepower and 485 pound-feet, delivering the kind of effortless power that makes heavy work feel manageable. But the real headline is Ford's 6.7-liter Powerstroke diesel V8. The standard configuration is going to produce 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque, numbers that already exceed what most heavy-duty trucks can deliver. The high-output version cranks everything up to 500 horsepower and an absolutely massive 1,200 pound-feet of torque. That 1,200 pound-feet figure isn't just impressive, it's going to remain class-leading for the foreseeable future. This level of twist ensures that no load will challenge the Super Duty's capabilities, whether you're pulling up steep grades or accelerating with maximum trailer weight. Every engine pairs with Ford's proven torque-shift 10-speed automatic transmission, specifically calibrated for heavy-duty applications with integrated power takeoff capability. Number 4. Interior sophistication that ages gracefully. Ford has completely rethought what a heavy-duty truck interior should be, creating a space that combines luxury with uncompromising functionality. The 2026 Super Duty brings cabin appointments that rival premium SUVs while maintaining the durability that truck buyers demand. For new owners, the available Max Recline seats are going to transform long-haul driving. These seats fold nearly flat, creating a mobile bedroom that's perfect for mandatory rest periods or overnight stays on job sites. Heating, ventilation, and massage functions ensure comfort during the longest workdays, while premium materials maintain their appearance even after years of heavy use. Technology integration reaches luxury vehicle standards with available 12-inch touchscreen infotainment systems running Ford's latest Sync 4 software. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity comes standard across most trim levels, while the 12-inch digital gauge cluster provides customizable displays tailored to specific work requirements. The center console transforms into a mobile office with fold-down work surfaces and multiple power outlets. ProPower Onboard delivers up to 7.2 kilowatts of exportable power, enough to run professional tools, lighting, or small appliances directly from the truck. This eliminates the need for separate generators on many job sites. Storage solutions are engineered throughout the cabin. The massive center console accommodates laptops and important documents, while crew cab configurations add lockable underseat storage that keeps valuable items secure. Multiple USB ports, 12-volt outlets, and 110-volt power points ensure devices stay charged throughout extended work periods. Premium trim levels like King Ranch and Platinum offer genuine luxury appointments, including leather upholstery, wood trim, and unique color schemes that create an upscale environment without sacrificing truck functionality. Number 3. Timeless exterior design. The 2026 Super Duty's exterior styling strikes the perfect balance between aggressive capability and professional refinement. Ford's design team has created proportions that will look current for years to come, avoiding trendy elements that quickly become dated. The massive front grille serves both functional and aesthetic purposes. Beyond providing necessary airflow for those powerful engines, it creates an unmistakable road presence that demands respect from other drivers. The proportions are perfectly balanced for a heavy-duty truck. Long hood, tall stance, and flared fenders create a profile that looks substantial without appearing overdone. Functional design elements are integrated seamlessly throughout. Available tow hooks aren't decorative accessories, they're rated for serious recovery operations. Running boards make cab access easier for daily use, while the bed features multiple tie-down points and available LED lighting for working after dark. The Tremor off-road package takes aggressive styling even further with lifted suspension, larger tires, and unique badging. Wheel arch flares and skid plates complete the look while providing genuine functional benefits for off-road work situations. Available wheel options range from practical steel wheels on work-focused trims to substantial alloy wheels that complement the truck's bold design language. Paint options include both traditional work truck colors and premium finishes that rival luxury vehicles. LED lighting technology comes standard across the lineup, providing superior visibility while contributing to the truck's modern appearance. The overall design philosophy ensures the Super Duty will look as current in 10 years as it does today. Number 2. Configuration flexibility for life. The 2026 Super Duty offers such an extensive range of configurations that buyers can create exactly the truck they need for decades of service. 3 cab configurations, regular cab, super cab, and super crew, each serve different operational requirements while maintaining the Super Duty's distinctive design. Bed length options include 6.8-foot and 8-foot configurations, ensuring there's a setup for every type of work requirement. 5 trim levels from XL through Platinum provide everything from basic work truck functionality to luxury vehicle appointments. The F250, F350, and F450 variants offer dramatically different capability levels to match specific applications. The F250 provides the perfect balance of capability and daily usability for most buyers, while the F350 adds serious capability for demanding commercial applications. The F450 pushes into territory previously reserved for medium-duty commercial trucks. Optional packages like the FX4 off-road setup add hill descent control, off-road shock absorbers, and skid plates. The Tremor package goes even further with locking differentials, upgraded suspension, and specialized driving modes for serious off-road work. This configuration flexibility means buyers can create a truck that perfectly matches their specific requirements, and those requirements are likely to remain constant for many years. Whether your priority is maximum towing, luxury appointments, or off-road capability, there's a Super Duty configuration that delivers exactly what you need. Number 1. Value that defies logic. Here's the shocking reality that makes the 2026 Super Duty impossible to ignore. Despite all these advanced capabilities and premium features, pricing remains surprisingly accessible. The base F250 starts under $50,000, delivering genuine heavy-duty capability at a price point that many half-ton trucks exceed. That base price includes crew cab configuration with the 6.8-liter V8, serious towing capability, and Ford's proven heavy-duty platform. You're not getting a stripped-down work truck. You're getting a fully capable heavy-duty vehicle with modern features and technology. The F350 also brings starting prices around $50,000, still thousands less than many loaded half-ton trucks that can't approach its capabilities. For contractors, farmers, and anyone requiring serious capability, the mathematics become incredibly straightforward. Even premium trims remain surprisingly reasonable for their capability level. The F350 Platinum, loaded with luxury features and advanced technology, tops out around $82,000. Expensive certainly, but competitive with similarly equipped luxury trucks that can't match its work capabilities. The F450 configuration starts at $63,000, which represents incredible value when you consider it offers capabilities that previously required stepping up to medium-duty commercial trucks costing significantly more. When you consider that the 2026 Super Duty delivers 40,000 pounds of towing capacity and 1,200 pound-feet of torque for the price of a loaded half-ton truck, the decision becomes obvious. You're getting commercial-grade capability at consumer-friendly pricing, a value proposition that's going to remain unmatched for years to come. The 2026 Ford Super Duty represents such a complete package that owners will discover they never need to trade up. These trucks are built to last decades while delivering capabilities that exceed what most buyers will ever fully utilize. But these are not the only great news from the truck market. Check out this video about the next generation 2026 GMC Sierra coming with the next generation V8 engine. GM proves that 8 cylinders will remain relevant for a few more decades for sure.